Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Amazon tablet. What I have here is the Fire HD 10. This is the 13th generation 2023 release. What I have here is the one in the black, 32 gigabytes. You can also end up getting this in the 64 gigabytes. So here is how the box looks. What I have here is the brand new one. So let's check a little bit of the back of the box, a little bit of the specs. So 10.1 inch 1080p full HD display, octa-core CPU, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and it has long-lasting battery. In the description it says up to 13 hours, which is very long. Here is what's included, which I'll show you now. Let's unbox it and see how this tablet looks. So all you have to do is just peel off this top little sticker, pull it out, and then let's check everything that comes inside. All right, so here we go. We have the tablet here. Let's put the tablet on the side just to show you what else comes inside. So we have power adapter here, 9 watts, and then we have USB-C to USB Type-A cable. Pretty nice. You can pretty much use any USB-C charging adapter and cable for this. And of course, we have quick startup guide. So that's what comes inside the box. Now let's check the tablet itself. Let's take this off. All right, here we go with the tablet. It is very light, slim, light. I do like the quality. It is made of plastic. We do have 5 megapixel camera on the back. Of course, we do have another camera on the front as well, 5 megapixel. Let's check the sides. So here we have the power lock button, volume rockers. We have USB-C for charging, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We have speakers here, and then let's see what else we have. And then here we have the SD card expansion. You can end up adding up to 1 terabyte of additional storage with the SD card expansion. Pretty nice quality, made of plastic, very budget-friendly tablet. Now let's turn it on. And what I'm gonna do next is just set it up, then I'll come back, talk more about the specs and my first impression. All right, so I just finished setting it up. That didn't take a long time. So let's talk a little bit of the specs. When it comes to the display, we have 10.1 inch. Of course, this is touchscreen. 1080p HD resolution, 1920 x 1200. It also does have 224 pixels per inch. When it comes to the CPU, we do have octa-core MediaTek CPU with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Storage, as already mentioned, you can get it with 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabytes of storage. You can also end up putting up to 1 terabyte of the SD card inside the tablet. When it comes to the battery life, they say up to 13 hours. I do have Fire Max 11. On that description says up to 14 hours. And that tablet definitely gets up to 14 hours. So I can definitely believe this one will get up to 13 hours as well. Now, my first impression is very positive. The tablet itself is very slim. It does have a pretty nice display as well. Now, let's take a look at the home screen. This tablet runs Fire OS operating system, which is based off of Android. It does have 2 different pages. So it has For You, which will end up giving you quite a lot of different recommendations, TV shows, books, games, and stuff like that. Then it has the home page, which will give you more recommendation. Now, I believe, let's see if I think you can actually end up removing some of these. So if you're not interested, you can end up removing it. Now, here is all the apps that it comes with. Some of my favorite apps is actually Kindle and Audible. I love listening to the books and also reading books as well. But you also have the Prime Video and Amazon Music as well. And of course, you have the browser and the App Store. Absolutely love the fact that this tablet is not loaded with a bunch of bloatware. So this is quite amazing tablet. So far, my first impression is very positive, and based off of that, I would definitely recommend it. But of course, I'll end up testing it more. I did mention I do have Fire Max 11, which is just a little bit bigger version of this, and I love that one as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.